Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today I'm going to be talking about a new jean for 2020, the new Rider jean from PMJ. Okay, so we've got the new jean from PMJ replacing one of the best-selling jeans from PMJ, the Rider jean from last season. What PMJ were asked for over the last couple of years is saying it's more single skin style, so as thin as we can make it. All the TranAm. TranAm is the abrasion resistant element of all the PMJ jeans. It's one they use almost exclusively, and now it's all woven directly into the denim itself, so you're getting that single skin product, super lightweight but still giving you the protection you need. So in terms of CE rating on the new CE approval system, you've got a single A rated product here. It is at the budget end of their jean range, but there are no budget features in it. So you've got a single A rated product. You've got Spanish denim built into this product as well, and it is 100% handcrafted in Italy, so we're still making our jeans, even at this price point, 100% in Italy. So let's go through some of the features. So it comes to the front of the product. Here, you can see you've got a high rise at the back, giving you the motorcycle cut at the back, so when you're leaning over the bike, you're not going to be showing off down the back end. On the front, you've got a button system, buttons all down the fly as well. Obviously, you've got belt loops, as you'd expect from any normal jean. Beautiful red contrast inside all the pockets, so again, small detailings even at this sort of price point. As you can see, you've got your Made in Italy badge written at the top there. If I spin it around to the back side, you've got extra stretch panels on the pocket just to give you a bit more stretch in that area, so again, when you're leaning over the bike, you get more and more comfort. There is stretch built into the jeans as well. If you go into the shop and try them on, there is stretch built into the denim itself, so you are going to get a lovely fit, nice and comfortable when you're moving around on the bike. Two pockets on the side, little secret pocket on the inside of that one as well. Single leg length, you're going to get knee protectors and hip protectors in these. So for single A rated jeans, you don't need to have a hip protector inserted, you can just go with knees. Not from PMJ, you're going to get knee protectors and hip protectors all built into the product, so good value there in terms of this price point. So that's your PMJ Rider jean, single skin, made in Italy, Spanish denim, beautiful TranAm for the protection. You've got protectors in the knees and in the hips, just available in the blue colour currently. Check out bikerheadz.co.uk for any more information.